40-ounce Pimp.
I'm going to post that to fucking Facebook now. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette now. I gotta thank.
I'm gonna smoke a cigarette.
I gotta thank the guy that was on after Dale.
Yeah, Dale. All right. Dirty Diggins.
And the guy going after us.
Dirty Diggins.
Me and Dale didn't have a lot of time to practice, and we did the best we could, so I hope you guys enjoyed that shit. So I'd just like to thank everybody for having us here, and I really appreciate it. It's helping me get over some personal problems in my personal life. So thank